it's Justine, and in front of me I have 22 watch bands representing 22 different countries. They released these in honor of the Tokyo Summer Olympics, and I'm so excited to unbox them because they all look so great. So, let's get started. I love the gold detailing that they have on the Apple Watch logo. You can see it, it's reflective. Oh, there's even some gold detail right here. I love it. It's reflective and beautiful. Check that out. USA all the way, look at this. So to get the corresponding Apple Watch face, you just have to scan this app clip and that'll give you the corresponding watch face for each watch band. There's a lot of watch bands here. Sport loop bands are my favorite. I do love the solo loop, but there's just something about this that just feels so great. And it's easily adjustable, unlike these ones where you do have to know what size you want. You've got a little detail right here with the little USA written right there on the inside. This is nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's scan this app clip. This stripe matches your new band. Look at this, here it is. Adding to my faces. I love that I can change the various styles. There's a full screen, there's a circular. I can change the stripe sizes. That's pretty great. One watch band down, only 21 left to go. And here's our South Africa watch band. Look at this. Great Britain. Time for Italy. And here's Russia. Australia. There's still so many more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have 15 left. Oh my god. And here's China. And here's the Netherlands. Time for France. This is the most exhausting thing that I've ever done, and I'm barely doing anything. Ooh, Sweden! Canada! Here's Brazil. Time for New Zealand. South Korea. Next up, we have Belgium. Okay, we are officially out of room over here, so I think we're gonna have to do this. Here's Japan. last and final one, we have Denmark. Band that we have to unbox here in the country edition of the International Sport Loops that Apple has released. These are so cool and I'm so glad that they did this. I would love to know though from you guys, where are you from? What country are you from? And also, what is your favorite Olympic sport? Is there anyone that you're cheering for? Are you actually an Olympic athlete? Do you have friends or family that happen to be going to the Olympics? Or do you have future plans to become maybe a potential future Olympian? I'd love to hear all of those and more in the comments below. And if you guys are new here, hello, welcome to my channel. I make a lot of fun tech videos. You guys can hit subscribe, it's free, and you can also hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Now the question is, which watch band am I gonna wear? I think New Zealand might be my favorite because it is the black and white aesthetic, and I think it's beautiful. New Zealand, gotcha.